The craziest thing you'll ever see in your life, bro. A 700cc motor. I don't even know what type of motor's in it, but it's loud. What is that, bro? What the hell? What in the hell? Is that a car motor? Is that a car motor? Crazy. It's a motorcycle motor or car? Motorcycle. What the hell?
I think you got it on your lap. I think your other video when we was at that mod on.
Okay, a while ago or?
Maybe last year.
Oh, I don't remember ever seeing this. Where'd you come from? You just rode it here?
Yeah, I came with Frank, cameraman Frank.
Oh, Frank's here?
Yeah, Frank, they just pulled in.
Would you let me ride it? How do you start it? It's just like a normal bike or? Alright, so we're about to rip the... It's a Banshee frame with a... Blaster. Oh.
I stressed it for the 750 metal.
So he put a... It's a blaster frame with a freaking motorcycle. Oh my god! I guess I am in the way. But and
it'll rack it. If you try to hold side it too hard, it'll just rack. You'll feel it.
Just be smooth on it?
Yeah, and then you get up.
Okay. What the hell am I about to ride? Yes, sir. We're about to... Oh my god. Bro, I feel like I'm driving a car right now. Like it's so hard to steer. I can't hear you. Holy shit, bro. Alright. What the hell is this, dude? The craziest thing you'll ever see in your life, bro. A 700cc motor. I don't even know what type of motor's in it, but it's loud. I'm getting off this. Dude, you can just feel the power. Ah! I don't know how to turn it off.
I ain't seen you hit it.
Bro, I'm scared.
Oh, you seen how
I seen like when you hit it on when you're going slow, it like skips the chain, right? Or
yeah, you feel it. So now I'm thinking about actually switching that to the original, because that's the blaster sprocket. That's
Okay.
the original motorcycle sprocket. So
Oh.
I switched it around and put that as the original motorcycle sprocket. And I should get better. It should get better on that. But that's one of the problems that I'm running into.
Bro, yeah.
That's why I said I thought it was racking the axle. You think it's skipping the chain?
I don't know. That's what it feels like. It's skipping. It's like,
yeah.
but I don't know. I don't know about that shit.
Yeah, that's why. So either that or I'm gonna change the whole swing arm and go with it on.
Well, the chain is tight, so.
Yeah, I might just change the whole swing arm. I don't like that. It's like.
But once you go like, once you're up to speed and then hit it, it's fine.
Yeah, everything just.
But it's scared. Like it hauls ass, bro.
Yeah. If I can, and I haven't even got it tuned yet, so.
Oh.
Yeah, when it comes to cars and shit, that ain't the original. I got this 3D printed from somebody.
Oh damn.
So that's not even tuned right, you know what I'm saying? I'll bring it out.
This
450 is in the shop right now.
Yeah, bro, that's crazy. I've never ridden anything like that.
Yeah. It's just a little project I kinda got.
Let's go. You got a Honda now?
That's my boy's bike. I'm testing it out.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, it's a 450 though.
Yeah, bro.
Okay,
You recording?
no, it's just magic. I'm coming out.
Ah, word. Hey, well, good seeing you, bro. It's always weird because, like, it's weird because my 450 doesn't feel this smooth. Like, whenever I'm on my 450, like, this bike just feels butter. Look at homie chilling in the stand-up. That's 450 Kenny. The freaking 90 goat. Y'all know the vibe. I love this bike. Bro, so this is what I was just on, and those white graphics, they look good as shit, but the bike just feels, the 2019s, I don't know what's with them, but they just feel so smooth compared to my 2020. What's up? Found it. Bah. You can, does it go straight? Like when you haul ass, it will go straight or no?
Yeah, it's got vehicle control.
Oh. Boy, got the RC. The big one. I tried to the RC car, bro. Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The lot today was freaking busy, and yeah, good vibes. A little windy, but we pulled through it. Remember, stay motivated. I'll freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.